Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to log into Twitch account. So first of all, launch Twitch app on your mobile devices, or you can simply go to the official website of Twitch. Then once you come to the main login page, simply start by entering your username. Here we go. After this, you would have to enter the password of your Twitch account. Now, if you have connected your Twitch account to Google, you can continue with Google, continue with Amazon as well, and continue with your Apple ID as well. Then after this, tap on the option of Login. Now, over here, you would have to enter the security code sent to your email. So you would have to open your email and check for the code sent to you. So you will be getting an email from Twitch like this. You can simply copy the code and then open the app or the website. Now over here, simply paste the code that you have copied. And with that, you will successfully be able to log in to your Twitch account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.